Hello, welcome back to our channel, Stock to Off-Road Machine. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, keep up to date with our channel. A lot more to come, a lot more mistakes, and a lot more off-road adventures.
3, 2, 1, hardwired.
Hello to everyone. Today we have another unboxing here. It is a TRE air locker with air compressor from Pack. Get online, get your lockers there. Also ask them about the other TRE products that they can get or have to offer. The TRE range is quite large, so get on there, hit them up, see what you can get in. In this pack we got a sticker, obviously for the car, little TRE sticker. So let's get to unboxing the air compressor. Box, pretty high quality. So far I'm pretty impressed with it, just getting it out of the box that it was shipped in, very good shipping too. You got a little air cap, switches and connections. The TRE air compressor switch, that is really good, by the way. Got a good picture on it, good quality. We have the wiring loom for the air compressor itself. A little mounting plate. The TRE air compressor. Yet again, it all looks pretty good quality, nice and sturdy, nothing loose, no rattles. Can't really complain about that one. And then we have the full wiring loom that runs to the battery. Obviously, it's got a nice size fuse in it. It all looks good quality, nice clamps. Everything seems to be done really nicely. Also get a warranty card in it. Product number, date of purchase, maintenance records, because you've got to maintain these pumps. That is all on the TRE website for you guys to look out as well. And then we got the main part of it, the locker. Oh, one other thing. Pack have also sent a hard copy of the instructions, just so everyone can get their greasy little mitts over it and their fingerprints all over the paperwork. Great fun that one is. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Nice. Got a massive TRE sticker. Going to be putting that up somewhere. Operation and service manual for the locker. Yet again, the box seems pretty sturdy, it's all in there. They've done great work at packaging this. We have connections and O-rings, isolator switch, front locker and rear locker switches, and a switch. I do plan on getting the rear locker at a later date, but at this point in time, the standard LSD in my patrol is doing quite well. You have got bearings, looks like a spacer or a slug of some sort. I don't know what that's for, I haven't quite read the instructions yet. We'll get to that when we do the installation video. We also have a retaining ring to center the differential to make sure it doesn't have too much back slack or anything like that to destroy your crown. You also have the actual part of the air locker that locks it in place. This is the air flange. Nothing else in that box. Yet again, good sturdy packaging to stop things from moving around. Really sturdy packaging. You have got two sizes of air lines. This one here is a 5mm. This one here is a 4mm. They're not cheap lines, they're fairly flexible, so you're not going to flex them and bend them and break them once you put it in place and go over your first rut or anything like that with it. Then the business end, the locker. Pretty heavy, sturdy construction, covered in production oil, obviously. No real weird rattles or anything in it. Looks fairly solid. Yeah, no rattles, no moves. No chips in it. Fairly solid construction. TRE air locker quality control stamp to make sure that people don't pull it apart before they put it in. No damage, it all seems really good actually. I'm really impressed with the way that they packaged it and took care of it. But that in entirety is the TRE air locker from Pack. Get yours today, go to Pack, hit them up. They've got multiple vehicles right down to MK Tritons, right through the range. Good quality products, but let's give you a quick look at this. TRE air locker, airlines and packaging. The TRE air compressor, wiring, plugs, switches. All good quality gear. TRE air locker. Go get yours today, hit up Pack. They're not really expensive compared to the ARB range or anything like that. The air locker also comes with a 4 O-ring construction. They've just changed their design, so they've beefed up their design to stop the air leaks and everything like that. Go hit them up. Get your air locker. Ask them about the crab lockers too, because they're slightly different. They don't actually have a moving part that rotates on the differential itself. It sits stationary in the diff. That stops wear and tear. Hit them up. Go to Pack. Ask them what you can get from TRE. They will order anything in that you want from TRE. Look at the TRE website, tre4wheeldrive.com. And remember, storm out and have an adventure. And don't forget, get your locker.
Thank you for everyone for watching another Epic Storm video. Keep tuned for more. Hit the like and subscribe button and visit our online store and help us run this channel.
We could be legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wake up. I know what's real. Escape reality. Hardwired.